Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Di mga korbas nongrom. Di nga ikublay, yagi baju pay yagi video jangan naga por sa kapor. Di bat mantakas ni ngawan sa kini ki tan is kasi hill si sinis tan maur keneng. Tip ngalak kelet to nong ayong tay tang bagay sinis tan maur keneng bypass ni. Andre nga ngawan tang marwe kajenjar ha. Yang abangan lap ni kita ti yang ai kublay itu iprolog bala itu yang nampo Instagram ti baru prolog nga mubalawan sini ti bat ya kibah ngakeli nang ni nang tay ti itu yang ti nganong iti kalenti ya kibadon 4x4 ti pilaban poi sadu sajan jong kajaka ti henry ya ki ayu ya bomdon 4x4 ti hab yang stay sa amin road pi hab ay dagjat mah ti sangi ap ngi sape ta kajaka ka balong gumno wa hang tu kadon ko wa nang tu gayai tu ter ti ni lapoi thrai ini kilap ker tem tip yai sei yai nang nu dong seno phai gumno hang ni kolong no ni de yu viewpoint right các site ti kala bandai thi po ta la yo snow tong matip kadai kata ne kanone I don't know. So this place is located in Maurengkeneng area, but I don't know exactly. I think satu kandai. Wow, area nang ni. Oh my god. The name of the place is Wait Here. This one. This is Wait Here, Perlok. Wow, lapoi Perlok. Oh. Sometimes it's nice to travel alone, but sometimes it's not good to travel alone because we cannot say the place is good or bad, I don't know, but sometimes I like to travel, solo travel. Wow. Wow. What a beauty. Woohoo. Oh my goodness. Woo. Wow. Guys, this place is Wait Here. Okay, I'll show you close by this waterfall. Okay, I'll show you. Wow, the water is so cold. But wow. Wow. Wait. Just looking like a wow. So beautiful. So elegant. So those want to swim, you can swim here, and you can sit over there. This is waterfall, and there's another pool there down. But it's very slippery. The water is so cool. Wow, just looking like a wow. Ini, baru ta ka baray ta isang ano iti. Ti wa. Wow. Just looking at that, man. It's so beautiful. Kita ni baka sumero. Dua tapiwan hang ni. Kandon sa kawai pak siapa. Mah, te yai pek ngan her ngam ta wut namar bah. Meruai te ngan ong direct bangating artat hi. Te namar bah. Icka kilong kenja sak bagi mau. Nanti ya sino ya ini. Oh, that way te just looking like a wow. Ow. Wow. Wow. Woohoo. Oh. Woo. Ah. Oh. Kini di bahasa Pok du dengan ni kah? Shark waiter. You can swim here. Those are pro swimmer. Here, so deep. Yeah. Cuma. You can swim here and you can jump if you want. Te perlok kaporo kala janmit hi nomor 1 tan sini ngamaroi kamlong ra nomor ngawan tamroi. Te pini kete ka ksai kadon te goi. Kandon bat ka jingi ai. Te hang tu harum ru kandon goi ber ka jingi. Te kani ya ka ba khamchan du ngathrai ya ka ba menta portlang kande kani ka ba I tenat ba mo. Te tangkani perlok lada pikwa kacaka kadai sini sya timer keneng mat kadai ka waitir mo te tangkane ngin kendu pada ka video take care bye bye god bless you.